So thanks for the question, Joshi. And it's if there's no agreed pattern yet for running agents in ops, how do I let one take real actions without becoming a 3 a.m. liability? Okay, that's lucky because I think we've really just answered that above. And it's, like I said, it's blast radius. You do not need the industry to hand you a pattern. And this is the thing that we always lean on, whether it's ITIL or something like that. They should just be guidelines, right? And if you wait for one, you're going to be waiting for a long time. So the pattern is exactly what we just walked through. Start the agent in read-only, let it investigate, let it correlate, let it draft a fix. That's all an upside, no danger. Then let it actually act only where the worst case is cheap and reversible, low blast radius. Let it run, high blast radius. A human needs to be in the gate somewhere.